Hello friend, Shreyas here from shreyasyadav.com. In this Lightroom tutorial, we will learn how to use a sharpening tool. After all the color and exposure corrections are done, I apply image sharpening as a final adjustment. Let's go to Lightroom and check out how to use sharpening tool. We are in Adobe Lightroom Develop module. Under Details tab, you will find Sharpening. There are 4 sliders: Amount, Radius, Details and Masking. First we will see what is amount. Click on the amount slider and drag the slider towards right. As you increase the amount of sharpening applied will increase and the image will get sharper. I use the values from 70 to 120. This is the range of sharpening you can start with and adjust according to the sharpening requirement of your image. Radius essentially defines how much area to be sharpened on a pixel level. If you increase this number, usually the sharpening looks harsh. I keep the radius from 0.6 to 1. Lower the radius number, details will be revealed sharply. The third slider is Detail slider. The Detail slider controls how much you want to render the details sharply. Detail slider basically works at around edges in the image. If the detail slider is increased, then fine edges will be sharper. If the detail slider is set to lower values, in that case, major or prominent details will be sharp. In most of the scenarios, I choose the default value of 25. Now, third option is masking. You will love this feature. You can quickly select which area to be selected and sharpened. So, for applying the masking, click on the masking and press Alt Option key. Everything will appear white. It means that the sharpening is getting applied on complete image. So drag the slider towards right and you can see the bird is under white mask and the background is under black mask, which means that the background will not be sharpened and only the sharpening will be applied on the bird. Okay. Masking is one of the best tools you will find in Adobe Lightroom. If the object is accurately focused and the background is not in focus, in that case, masking does an excellent job for sharpening the image. There is no standard value for masking. You can choose the masking values based on the image and which area you want to sharpen. Now, let's take a look at how the before and after picture looks like. Here we go. This is the before picture and this is the after picture. Thanks for watching this video. I have a special free gift for you. It's my 9-step Adobe Lightroom guide. It includes a Lightroom guide that shows you how to go from a raw image to an awesome image, how to use Lightroom tools to enhance the image, a free set of images for you to practice. To get this free guide, click on the link in the video description below. If you find this tutorial helpful, then subscribe and click on the bell icon so that when a new video is up, you will get a notification. And if you like this video, let me know in a comment section below. Hey, again, thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.